oh, come look at the sun. It's setting and oh, isn't the sky beautiful with all that orange? It's going to be a good night together here on the lanai and sing our hearts out. Hey, go and call up Auntie and them. Tell them to come down, bring the ukuleles and the instruments. Come join us and let's sit on the back steps and on our lanai and sing. It's a beautiful night to share a little island music and island hearts. Ernie Cruz and Troy Fernandez, the Ka'au Crater Boys.
Mountains roll down to the sea. I wish that you were here with me. The waves are breaking along the shore. It's not the same without you no more. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Mountains roll down to the sea. I wish that you were here with me. The waves are breaking along the shore. It's not the same without you no more. Watch the sun lift off the sea, cast the shadow off a tree. Soon the surfers will catch the waves. The beach will fill with local babes. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch the sun lift off the sea, cast the shadow off a tree. Soon the surfers will catch the waves. The beach will fill with local babes. Oh, whoa, oh, 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 whoa, whoa. Up above the clear blue sky, the tourist cars come driving by. Surfers across the bay, just a tropical Hawaiian day. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Up above the clear blue sky, the tourist cars come driving by. Windsurfers across the bay, just a tropical Hawaiian day. Oh, whoa, oh, 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 whoa, just a tropical Hawaiian day.
Mahalo, thank you. This next song is called Noho Pai Pai, which we like to call also Rocking Chair Hula. Goes like this.
Pupue hola e mehana, honena o ese kupori. Pupue hola e mehana, honena o ese kupori. Meheala noi mai ana, au he akule Roselani. Meheala noi mai ana, au he akule Roselani. Malihini oe, malihini au, maknos kahawala e kamaaina. Malihini oe, malihini au, maknos kahawala e kamaaina. kapuana honi ana ho ese kupoli kupoli kupoli. Thank you. This next song is featuring Mr. Ernie Cruz Jr. Song entitled Rhythm of the Falling Rain.
Okay, here we go. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. Well, I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. The only girl I've ever loved is gone away, looking for a brand new start. Little did she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, please tell me that it's just not fair for her to steal my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another with my heart somewhere far away. Falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. Well, I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. Rain, please tell me that it's just not fair for her to steal my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart's somewhere far away. So listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. Go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again, and let me be alone again, and let me be alone again.
Island music, island hearts. We'll be right back.